In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends in Monopoly Go with username. Now to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Monopoly Go on your device and sign into your account. Now in here, go ahead and head over to the friends section of Monopoly Go, and in here you'll be able to find all of your suggested friends. So you can go ahead and click on the skip button if you want to, or invite, be able to invite them to play Monopoly Go with you. Now currently there is no option for you to search for a specific username on Monopoly Go, and the only option that you have is to invite friends to be able to add them on Monopoly Go. You can invite them through your unique link or by sharing your link through different social media platforms available on your device. Although there is no specific feature for you to search for a specific username on Monopoly Go, connecting your Monopoly Go account to your Facebook account will allow you to gain more friends on the platform, and that's how you can simply add friends on Monopoly Go using username. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.